Mga
lagi to mahilig kami mat my son.
Oh.
Ito lagi sila artwork. Ito di children's books.
Oh.
Kami, hindi alatan. Dapat tidak do mga kwan.
Ay, so madodonate yan, ma'am, sa Don Polas.
Nabayag po, ma'am. May mga months nga naka-stock pa lang.
Oh, swerte ng Don Polas, ah. Naka-receive ng...
I read different one. May kwan, novels, katas dyan. Mix and then... We have the YouTube. No, ada dyan kahit kwan, I get a reference nga.
Oh, I see.
So, nagito yung collection ko nga, pag-refer for rap.
I thought may nag-advise sa akin na just spend 15 minutes per day. Parang ganun.
Kanyak, no novel, something a novel. I would like to finish it na.
Oh, yeah. Especially pag gumaganda yung istorya.
So, nagito yada pa na ito, when I was in Vietnam, kami na ito museum lang
Vietnam conquered.
So, sino tigay ko? Kala na ito, I read about ni private life ni ko.
Oh, Mount Kadong.
Nakastigay na. So, ay kastigay mga swimming in a Yellow River.
Yeah, Yangtze.
I was curious about it. Ano ni
Vladimir Putin.
Ito may lagituida. Nabasmasak pa ng ibig. Lagituida.
Oh, there was this one here. Is this a book, ma'am?
Yeah, ito the veterans kanya.
It's
Luzon.
During the World War II.
World War II.
Victoria at
The freedom fighters of Northern Luzon. Nakadalito na kinalak the States ngayon. I was also curious about the Quadaidi.
Some over the land. Oh, this one is nice. I was looking for a reference one. What is it? Cesar Poble. Untold stories.
Ego is the enemy.
Ego is the enemy. Oh.
Still that's
Wow.
and still based on Reinhard. Still based on
Is that knowing thyself?
Leadership. No.
This is nice. Got a lot of collections of books.
The leadership secrets of Jesus.
Yeah.
Servant leadership. Bukat kita nga oreno marami na speech. Bukat ko quote.
Yeah.
I go back to my one.
And then that.
If life is a game, these are the rules. Ito back to
the art of war.
Ito yung purpose-driven life.
Driven life.
God. So, it's about plan for God's pleasure. So, we learn from all of this.
Yeah. And this is like a mini library already. Parang mas marami. Oh, yeah. And this is your
for
financial management. Yeah. Nakikita talaga yung bell.
Bakit alam nga pump, gasoline pump.
This one.
Ikabin mo ay arak.
Ay!
Sa mga kalaga pump ka.
Ay! I thought it's gasoline. This is a camera 4.
Human rights and gender equality.
Yeah, gender equality. Yeah.
So I have reference materials ko.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, ma'am, for showing your library. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
My collections. Napanak abroad or napanak other places. Just small items.
Small items to remember.
Sa may santo.